Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, classy, and elegant video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains unique and decent blend of boatneck, or you can say necklace style, or necklace empire boatneck embroidery designs. All of these are different type of stylized pattern that at the same time gives a look of like you have been wearing a very beautiful necklace. So the beauty and creativity of these designs make them more decent and elegant that you don't need to wear any type of pendant or necklace around your necks also. So the simple and easy embroidery stitches being used in this whole embroidery patterns make them much more elegant, creative, decent and eye-catchy. In order to give a more formal look, I would suggest you to use beads, sequins or pearls in the pattern where are dots. Or another simple and easier way to fill the dots is make use of French knot stitch. For mini leaves, I would recommend you to use fly stitch. And for mini flowers, I would recommend you to make use of lazy daisy stitch. And for embroidery beginners, for medium or large size floral designs or flowers, I would recommend you to use satin or forward stitch because these are the simple, easiest, and beginner friendly stitches. So now let's talk about the fabric base. You can use different type of plain fabric bases, different colors of plain fabric base, or even you can also use light printed fabric to design the whole embroidery pattern. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also make use of jacquard or self-print fabric. The beauty and creativity makes them unique that you can also use some sort of traditional stitches like Kutch work, Gujarati jama, or Sindhi embroidery. So ranging from traditional embroidery styles to most demanding, decent, and elegant embroidery styles. All of the design collections are entirely shown in this video of our today's ideas. So if you really like them, don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then please do subscribe from number of other devices because subscribers are important. And with this, allow me to leave. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Until then, take care. And thank you so much for watching.